I'm the estate manager down at Wrest Park Enterprise. We're a business park in central Bedfordshire. We offer serviced offices as well as other products like warehousing. We've got quite a strong business community here, and what we've been doing is trying to add a series of talks to add value to what our clients do. Some of the topics that they find difficult in their business we want to talk about, and we want to get experts in their fields. One of those people we've just had the pleasure of having is Tim from Creative Business Videos. He's done a lovely talk on how to integrate video into your business and your marketing, all aspects. A very compact talk with a huge amount of content, lots of giveaways, lots of hints and tips, very thought-provoking. I do know, because I've been talking to the guys who've been, there's a huge amount that they've taken away, and I fully expect that some of them will be talking to Tim about specific needs that they've got and how he may be able to help them. I can't thank him enough, because what we're trying to do is galvanise our community and just really give people the platform to relaunch their businesses or grow their businesses. And people like Tim are crucial key steps in that journey, and I'm sure people will keep referring back to him as their business grows and they need to do new things. He's the go-to guy. Thank you, Tim.